Good morning mga kababayan, KTV Pilipinas, at nandito tayo sa may Mehan Garden. May tutungayan tayong programa ngayon dito mga kababayan ko. Ngayong araw ng Martes, buwan ng Mayo. Nandito tayo sa may Mehan Garden. Good morning Pilipinas, good morning Philippines. Sir, good morning. Ayun oh. Dito tayo mga kababayan oh. Hi, good morning. Meron tayong gaganapin na rate lying ceremony dito mga kababayan, with a friendship, partner friendship ng Moscow at ng lungsod ng Maynila ay ating kanila pong gugunitain etong pagkakaibigan ng dalawang bansa mga kababayan. Dito yan sa ating lungsod. Shout out kay sir. Ayan ang ating Mehan Garden. Shout out sa ating nagpipitagang smart police ng lungsod ng Maynila sa pamumuno ni Tata Jerry Tobera. Ayan o mga kababayan o. Busy ang ating tata dahil mayroon tayong isang di umano ay nagtitrending mga kababayan ko sa social media na kung saan ipapadala sa Boys Town kaysa naman mapariwara ika nga ni Ormis ko mga kababayan. At eto na ang ating i-witness this morning. Ayun naman siya. Ang kasaysayan nito napakaganda mga kapatid. Nasa may Google. Ayan, kitang kita natin yan. Na-search na natin. Ayan ang pangalan. So magkakandak tayo ng rate line ceremony, ang pag-aalay ng bulaklak dito ngayon sa may Mehan Garden, May 26, 2026, araw ng Martes. Ngayon alas 10 po mga kababayan. Time check natin, malapit na yan. So abang-abang na po tayo dito. Formation na, nandito na ang government ng Moscow, ng UDM, ng Batang Maynila. Ayan na sila, formation. At syempre ang ating mga kapulisan mga kababayan. Standby na tayo guys. Smile. Titik-titik muna ako sir ha. Titik lang ako sir ha. Magandang umaga po. Ayun o. Titik muna tayo dito habang nag-aantay tayo. Hello sir, good morning.
Excuse me po. Nagre-rehearse.
Oh, nakahanda siya. Oh, di ba? Ayun. Video to sir ha. Okay. Sama natin sa ano yan, sa vlog natin yan.
Ay.
Oh, di ba? Pretty looking good.
Symbol of cultural beauty and considered as across the world. We invite everyone to please.
Testing pa lang yan mga kababayan. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning mga ka-freshness.
Ayun, fresh na fresh, mga kababayan. Ma'am Crystal Bagatsing, ang ating Reyna ng Ditikam.
Hello.
With Yorme, mga kapatid.
Hi, Ambassador. Good morning. Good morning.
enjoy. Ma'am, welcome again to Manila. Halika. I'll see you introduce the vice.
Let's all welcome the Mayor of the City of Manila and the Vice Mayor of the City of Manila, Mayor Isko Moreno Dumagoso. Together with Vice Mayor G. Atienza. Also, we would like to welcome the Ambassador of the Embassy of Russia. And considered by many to be the greatest Russian poet. We also assemble here to celebrate his enduring legacy and cultural ties that untie us across the world. the embassy of the Russian Federation will be offered by its ambassador. Next is from the City Government of Manila, and it will be offered by our dear Mayor Francisco Isko along with G. Atienza. And now, the read from the government of Moscow will be offered by its minister and head of the Department of External Economic and International Relations, Mr. Sergei Cherumin. We would like to ask the offerers for some photo opportunity. Thank you.
His Excellency Marat Ignatius Pavlov, Ambassador to the Philippines of Russia, Mr. Sergei Evinovich Cheremony, our Honorable Francisco Moreno, and the Manila City Mayor, our Vice Mayor, Honorable Angela Lee G. Atienza,
to our distinguished guests, our officials of the city government of Manila, our delegates from Russia, and our fellow students of the University of Manila. Good morning. We are honored to welcome everyone to the Days of Moscow in Manila as we celebrate culture, friendship, and the 50th anniversary of diplomatic ties between the Philippines and Russia. Thank you to our Russian partners, the city of Manila, and everyone who made this event possible. Your Excellency Ambassador, honored guests, member of Russian and Filipino literary and cultural communities, ladies and gentlemen. We gathered today in Mehan Garden to pay tribute to Alexander Pushkin, a towering figure in Russian literature whose works have resonated far beyond his homeland. This street-laying ceremony takes on special significance as part of the 50th anniversary of diplomatic relationship between the Philippines and Russia. A milestone that honors 5 decades of cultural exchange, mutual respect, and shared commitment to the arts and education. By honoring Pushkin here in Mehan Garden, we acknowledge the power of culture to deepen friendship and understanding between peoples. We remember that diplomacy thrives not only in official agreement, but also in exchange of stories, poems, and the art that shape our shared humanity. Let this week symbolize our respect for Pushkin's legacy and our commitment to continued cultural dialogue, friendship, and growing cooperation between Philippines and Russia. Thank you.
Thank you, Vice President Vitan, for your warm welcome. Now, may we call on Mr. Evgeny Bogatyrev, Director of the Alexander Pushkin Museum, to deliver some inspiring message for us. Kindly give a warm round of applause, please.
Доброе утро, дорогие любители Пушкина, живущие на Филиппинах.
Good morning to all appreciators of Pushkin poetry living in the Philippines.
Доброе утро, дорогой Сергей.
Good morning, dear Alexander Sergeyevich.
Совсем скоро, через 10 дней, Россия будет отмечаться большим праздником.
Very soon, in 10 days' time, Russia will celebrate a great holiday.
Он посвящен дню рождения нашего великого русского поэта Пушкина.
The birthday of our great national poet, Alexander Pushkin.
И в этом году мы будем отмечать 227-ю годовщину со дня его рождения.
And this year, we will be celebrating the 227th anniversary of his birthday.
Москва гордится тем, что Пушкин родился в далеком 1799 году именно в Москве.
Moscow is very proud to be the birthplace of the poet in 1799.
И в России мы будем отмечать не только день рождения Пушкина, но еще и день русского языка. И этот день является Пушкинским днем России, Пушкинским днем нашей отчизны.
On this day, we will also celebrate the Day of the Russian Language, which we call the Pushkin Day of Russia.
В этот день принято читать стихотворение Пушкина. Я хотел бы сегодня здесь прочитать стихотворение Пушкина, которое называется «Туча».
On this day, it is customary to read Pushkin poetry, and today I would like to read one of his poems for you.
Последняя туча рассеянной бури, одна ты несешься по ясной лазури, одна ты наводишь унылую тень, одна ты печалишь бегущий день.
The last cloud that's cleared up some the storm. Across the sky as you're alone in your room. Imposing those shadows, you're going to stay alone, casting down a bright cheerful day.
И небо недавно кругом облегало, и молния грозно тебя обвивала, и ты издавала таинственный гром, и алчную землю поила дождем.
By you, while ago, all the sky was embraced, with lightnings all over you were interlaced. Mysterious thunder was your keen refrain. You watered the arid dry ground with rain.
Довольно, закройся, пора миновалась, земля остудилась, и буря промчалась, и ветер, лаская листвой дальше вверх, тебя
Enough you've had, now begone, your time's up. The earth is refreshed, the storms come to full stop. By winds are caressed all the leaves of the trees. You've driven away off the sky, now in peace.
Спасибо, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Director, for that wonderful poem and wonderful message. So at this juncture, to deliver his message for all of us, a warm round of applause to the good mayor of the city of Manila, Mayor Francisco Isko Moreno Domagoso.
Thank you. To our Ambassador, Ambassador His Excellency Marat Pavlov and the wife, beautiful wife. Again, welcome to Manila. And to our friend from Moscow Government, Minister and Head of the Department of External, Economic and International Relations of Moscow, Mr. Sergey Sheremin. Welcome again to Manila. And to the other delegates traveling all the way from Moscow. Especially, I would like to give extra credit and thanks to the people of Russia, because last night a lot of Manileños experienced to watch great, skilled, talented ballet performance courtesy of the Moscow and Russian government here in Manila. Palakpakan natin sila. Nakakatuwa, napakaganda ng performance nila at masayang-masaya ako dahil unang-una, mahal-mahal manood ng ballet. Pangalawa, kung gusto mo ng Russian ballet, punta ka sa Russia. Pamasahe pa lang, ubus ka na. But we are very fortunate to the graciousness and kindness of Russian government, the Moscow government, the local government, and the ambassadors' effort and all the delegates. Kaya mga batang Maynila, mga mag-aaral ng UDN, isang masigabong palakpakan sa ating mga kaibigan. I'd like to recognize also Councilor Lou Biloso. Very excited. Oh Lou, nag-enjoy ka ba kagabi? Yeah. Kasi kami mga artists, no, when they are performing last night, we know that it's very hard. And they're very talented. No? Yung ating mga Russian ballet performer last night. Kaya kami ni Lou Biloso, tulong-tulo ang laway namin sa galing. But I'm happy that a lot of Manileños saw it, and it can be an inspiration, especially to a young lady whom I saw in the lobby. And the mother said, she's ballerina. And I asked her, sabi ko, maganda ba? Magaling po. Magaling po. So, you know, someday, somehow, this can be an inspiration to others, especially fellow Manileños. But today, we are celebrating side by side with our Russian friends to celebrate the greatness and recognize the greatness of Alexander Pushkin. So, kahit tanda, ng pagkilala at pagpapatibay ng relasyon nating mga Ruso at Pilipino dito sa lungsod ng Maynila. And I would like to recognize our Vice Mayor's effort in the City Council, Vice Mayor Chi Atienza here, and the entire City Council who is supporting the effort of the city government to strengthen our relationship with our friends in Moscow. Now, we are not going only to recognize, but we will continue. This is a testament in our also effort to continue to honor the legacy and literary contribution of Alexander Pushkin, and to continue to strengthen our cultural diplomatic relations between Manila and Moscow. And also, we will continue to promote international friendship and cultural understanding between two cities. And we will continue to foster cooperation in the fields of culture, education. As you can see, marami dito na-meet ko kagabi, mga nag-aaral sa Moscow. Na-meet ko sila sa show kagabi. And I hope someday, somehow, one of you here in UDM will be sent to Moscow and to study further and in your field of undertaking. So we will continue to hone, build stronger ties and relationship in our people-to-people exchanges. So to the Ambassador, Excellency, to Sergey, always welcome to Manila. And it is a great honor for us to have a piece of memory of a great person in the world. Not only recognized by the Russian, not only by Filipinos, but I think all poets in the world recognizes and give good credit to Alexander Pushkin. Magandang umaga at pagpalain nawa kayo ng buong ito. Thank you.
Nasa Russia na tayo mga kababayan.
От great Russian literature. He also founded basic Russian language. And when we celebrate his birthday, it's simultaneously the day of Russian language. I could imagine that Pushkin never even dreamed that his monument will be installed in Manila 2 centuries, 27 years ago. It was totally different goals.
challenging times in the world, the pandemic was halted now. It's being revived, energized, and as you can see, it's been 2 days now that a lot of activities happening between Moscow and Manila, and especially in Lhasa, where the Russian government gave us an opportunity to see talented, beautiful show, Russian ballet. Also, performed here in historic metropolitan area, and everybody enjoyed it. And today, we wanted to also continue to share our respect, admiration, and make it an aspiration to any Filipinos, young and professional, about something effort of sharing ideas and the mind and hearts of the world. And I do believe that it's not only Manila who recognizes Sandal Pushkin, but we are in a way unique because he has a place in the historic Mehan Garden, so that the next generation who will pass by be reminded of the greatness of Manila and share or contribution to the world, especially in the legacy.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Perfect, very nice. Thank you. Yeah, and good luck with everything.
Ready po, Chef?
Wala nang UDF.